What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Folding Unfoils. Today, we're going to open up a display box of 2020 Topps Stadium Club. So we're going to get 24 packs, 5 cards per pack. Look for autograph cards. Yeah. So the first week, these got stocked last week at the stores. You didn't get very much. You got like 5 or 6 fat packs and like 4 blasters. And they were gone instantly. So this week, maybe we'll get a little bit more and people can actually get some and open it. Luckily, I ordered some off the person I go through, distributor. So I got to open some. And then, what else was I going to say? I can't remember. That's not going to slide in there, probably messing up the pack. So we're just going to go like, bow. Alright, so yeah, 24 packs. We're looking for Luis Robert. I guess this is what they mean by, I wonder how much these would be if these were hanging on a hook. $3, you think? It's only 5 cards. So yeah, let's open these up and see what we can get. Alright. So here we go. We got Jake Rogers rookie. A Ted Williams. A Domingo Leba rookie. Ooh, see that? We got a redemption. Uh-oh, what do we get? Congratulations. You do to receive. Orange refractor of Boba Fett out of Topps Chrome. I'm just kidding, you guys. My buddy got this. It's already been redeemed. So yeah, my buddy got this out of a blaster box of Topps Chrome, obviously. Yeah, I figured I'd show you guys. Thought it was pretty sweet. The oranges are out of 25, I believe. 20 or 25. So yeah, he hit this like a week before I got my Lou Bob. But I only got the base. He got the, well, it's an 85, but it's the orange refractor parallel. Mine's just a base. Yeah, I thought I'd play a little trick on you guys. It worked until you saw refractor. You're like, what? There ain't no refractor. Jameson Taillon, black. Yasiel Puig. So yeah, probably didn't get you guys. You're not that gullible, but had to try, right? All right, let's get going on these. Pack number 2. Clayton Kershaw. Looks like he's holding up that tree. Where are we at here? Carlos Santana. Randy Arozarena. I think that's how you say his name. We got a Mitch Haniger, black. And Mike Clevenger. Next pack, we'll stick to this side for now. Yeah, these are only 5 card packs. I would hope these wouldn't be more than, I don't know, $2. Adrian Morjan. Jeff Bagwell. Piles are all over the place here. George Springer. One of these I don't like. These always kind of stick to. They're weird. Shohei Ohtani, Emperors of the Zone, and Trent Grisham, rookie. Those are not my favorite inserts. All the other ones are pretty cool, but those are, I can't even stay on that side of the box. Not that cool, in my opinion. Alright, Jake Fraley, rookie. As far as where I got these off Topps website. So the day Stadium Club came out, I was looking all day because I wanted to get a hobby box, but that didn't work out. So then I looked at like 8:30 at night, and they had already sold out of the blasters and hobby boxes. So For some reason, they must have done it in waves because they had the display boxes available. I was like, huh, well, I better get 2 of those. So I got 2 of these, and then I looked like an hour later, and they were sold out. So I'm guessing I got lucky when I got 2 of these. Mitch Garver, Josh Donaldson, 19 of 25, Babe Ruth. That's pretty freaking sweet. 19 of 25, Babe Ruth. It's like a foil refractor looking. There's the numbering on that. 19 of 25. That's pretty sweet. I think we're going to take a second to sleeve that up. I don't think you're guaranteed anything in these. I mean, it just goes by the odds on the pack, basically, because there's nothing, like I said, that you're guaranteed to get. We'll put Old Babe back there. That's a pretty sweet card. Alright, next pack. Got a little off track there. You have to let me know what you think of these boxes. I mean, we're not even close to halfway yet, but I know out of the blasters, we seem to get some pretty good stuff. So, we keep getting these. I hate these. And if we're going to get a bunch of Chris Paddocks, it doesn't make it any better. We'll take a look at the odds after this pack, because I'll be interested to see what the odds are on hitting stuff out of these. Jack Flaherty, Yuli Gurriel, another one of these, Servino, and Francisco Lindor. Let's take a look at these odds. Alright. Black foil 1/8, sepia, blue foil, rainbow foil. That was a 1 in 301. Members only, photographer, base, chrome, 1 in 24. Damn. Wow. So I do think it's a little bit harder to hit stuff out of these. So it was like 1 in 4 for those black ones, and we got like 3 of those first 3 packs. Aroldis Chapman. We got a Mark McGwire. I like that card. Kim rookie red foil. Very nice. And Isan Diaz rookie. Next pack. Okay, it doesn't go all the way down. We only got 4 left in that stack. There's a big old thing of styrofoam on the bottom of the box. Security. Carter Kieboom. Oh, I guess you can see what we got there. Chris Paddock. We got a Gleyber Torres Chrome Refractor. Those are 1 in 96 packs. I think we just saw that. Bash and Burn. Juan Soto. And Yoan Moncada. So I'd say we're probably halfway through because I think I opened 1 on the other side. Pretty close. Pretty close. Jameson again. Shogo. I think that's the first rookie of his I gotten out of this. Lorenzo Cain. Shed Long. Ooh. First day issue of Shed Long. And Frank Thomas. How hard were these? I can't remember. Members only. Where's it? Oh, first day issue. Damn. 1 in 757. We should probably sleeve that up, huh? First day issue. I don't think I've ever pulled one of those. Too bad it's a Shed Long, but still 1 in almost 800 packs. That might be our hit of the box. Charlie Blackmon. I don't even care. I just want a Robert rookie. I still don't got. Still have not hit one out of here. Bruce Thorpe. Hunter Dozier, the Lewis Thorpe rookie is a red. I take just a base, Robert. Can you do that for me? There's a Mike Trout. There's a Josh Ross rookie. Trey Mancini. Josh Van Meter. Hunter Dozier again. And the Van Meter is red. Last pack on this side, left side. Let's see what we get. Walker Buehler, Gary Wood, Ketel Marte, Sean Doolittle, Sepia, and James Marvel, rookie. All right, hold on. I know we forgot. We forgot Mookie. Mookie, do some work. Do some work here, Mookie. Make this stack better. Let's get rid of this box. All right. Leave. Come on, Mookie. Soak in there a little bit. We'll leave Mookie looking at the stack like, come on, man. You guys don't know, Mookie he's been pretty lucky so far. He's gotten us a couple hits. Brusdar Graterol. That was hard to say. Rookie. Robbie Ray. Jack Flaherty. One of these I don't like. Emperors of the Zone. And Francisco Lindor. I feel like we've seen that card a lot. Let me get my stack fixed here. Getting down in the packs. We don't have too many left. Well, actually we do. Okay. I lied. Maybe I should just speed it up a little bit. Nick Senzel. Christian Yelich. Here's a Tony Gwynn. Tony Gwynn is going to be red. And Isan Diaz again. Why can't we get 2 or 3 Roberts? When all you want is one. Got something thick in here. Looks like we got a chrome. Dubon. Rookie. Charlie Blackmon. Aaron Judge. And our chrome is Sandy Koufax. Stadium Club chrome. Ricky Henderson, Bash and Burn. And Yoan Moncada again. I know it isn't working out like I thought, but it's usually why I like getting these boxes, because they're like they're not meant for you to buy the whole box, really. It's like that's why they call it a display box. Recipes. They figure people might buy, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 packs, but I figure there could be, 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 Roberts or whatever card you want in a box like this instead of a blaster, because I feel like in a blaster they're gonna try and get you a good selection of cards, not a bunch of duplicates. TJ Zook rookie, Eddie Rosario, Miguel Sano, and Isan Diaz again. I hope that dude does do real good. Miguel, yeah. Snow Black. Go look through this card. Oh my god. Another Yoan Moncada. What's going on here? Lance McCullers. I guess, like I said, check up the Grom. There's old Randy on the fire truck. Jack Flaherty again. Yoan at Moncada. Maybe I might have to open the other box. Maybe it'll have better shuffling of the cards here. Alex Bregman, Danny Jansen, Kyle Tucker, Frank Thomas again, Kyle Tucker red, Tucker red. What do we got left here? I got 4 packs left. very impressed. Ah, well, I took the back card off. That is Jose Urquidy, Max Kepler, Jake Fraley again, Masahiro Tanaka, and a bash and burn of Mookie Betts. 3 left. Might have let me down, Mookie. Oop, hit the camera there. Matthew Boyd, Alberto Mondesi, Austin Meadows, a 10 of 25, TJ Zook. So we got 2 of these. And Javier Baez. That would be awesome if that was Robert. 10 of 25 on this one. We'll put TJ back there. 2 packs left. And then we'll call it a day. I don't know if I said the price. These boxes were $69 on the Topps website. I got free shipping. Mike Trout, Josh Rojas, Trey Turner, Nolan Arenado, and Xander Bogaerts. First one of these we got. This is a cool insert too. Power Zone. Alright, last pack. Feels pretty thick. It's got something in it. Got something good in it. Maybe. Feels a little thicker. Jake Rogers, rookie. Ted Williams. Nolan Arenado. Patrick Corbin. Buster Posey. Michael Chavis. Damn it. Buster Posey. Sepia. Alright, that's it. We struck out big time. Well, I mean, we got some cool cards, but we did not get a Robert. That's for sure. Did get a ton of doubles of other people. Here's our stack of like base. Just base. No. Yeah, base. Yeah. Jake Rogers. Buster. Jake Rogers. You're going to see so many doubles. Josh Rojas. Jake Fraley. Kyle Tucker. Austin Nola. Miguel Sano. Easton Diaz. TJ Zook. Junior Fernandez. Tony Gwynn Red. Easton Diaz. Brewster Gutterall. Marvel. Van Meter. Josh Rojas. Luis Thorpe. Shogo. Easton Diaz. Fraley, Trent Grisham, Morion, here's Rania, Italian, and Domingo Leba. Here is our better cards out of this box here. So we got, what did we get? Show them, George. We're going to go in this order here. We got a, oh my lord, a Sandy Koufax. Just a base Stadium Club Chrome. We got a Stadium Club Chrome Refractor of Glaber. Pretty sweet. A TJ Zook. Number 10 of 25. Whoop. The Rainbow Foil. A Shed Long. First day issue. I guess 1 in 800 packs. Yeah. Shed Long. And then this is probably my favorite card of the box. Babe Ruth Rainbow Foil. That one is numbered 19 of 25. Pretty cool. Other than that, yeah, I mean, we didn't get the Robert. We didn't get a Bichette. We didn't get a Jordan. We didn't get Aquino. Any of those guys. Noisy. We just got the same, like, lower tier rookies over and over and over. So, yeah, we'll have to see how it goes. I might open the other box on the channel. I might sell it. Because this box did not impress me. And Mookie, you let me down, bud. Let me down. So, till next time, like, comment, subscribe. Would you guys buy, I don't know, most people even do buy these boxes, but would you buy these packs? And how much do you think they should be with 5 cards of Stadium Club? Like, that's $1 worth of cards, maybe? I don't know how much those are in the store, but yeah. That's all, guys. I will see you soon. Take it easy. Peace.